Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we're talk about how to make money online, how to do your investments, and how to start your own online company. Yeah, so before I start today's episode, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, please click on it for me, and let's grow faster and grow together. Yeah. So today I'll be showing you how to make 10 USDT every minute with Exness to Binance Arbitrage. Yeah, how you can make 10 USDT every minutes with Exness to Binance Arbitrage. That's what I'll be teaching you today. Yeah, so please, if you want to enjoy, stay with me from the beginning to the end so that you enjoy what I'm about to teach. That's it. Yeah. So today I'll be using this tool, and maybe I will introduce one app inside. But that app, I'm not saying you should join because disclaimer, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online. So me, I'm doing this video for education and what entertainment purposes. Yeah. So first of all, let me show you how you can make 10 USDT every minute with Exness to Binance Arbitrage. And after that, I will introduce the app. Because people always say that how do I get the money from somewhere to Exness and transfer it to what Binance. So that one, if you stay with me, you will understand everything, and I will show you everything. Yeah. So the reason why I always use Exness and Binance and not Binance to Exness is that first of all, let me show you how you can deposit money in your Exness accounts. So when you open your Exness account, this how it is. So you will register and verify. And me, I have one verification to do. That's what to provide my the last identity card. That's my residential address. So if you provide that one, they will put they will like they will give you unlimited access. Right now I have only $3,000, and I have only $3 left. So when it's done, that means I'm done with the 3,000. So before I can enjoy, unless I provide that one for them to give me what unlimited listing. Yeah. So when you open the app, this is how the app looks like. So first of all, you have to what deposit. So deposit on this platform, you can deposit money in it through Binance Pay, mobile money, USDT, TRC, bank card, Bitcoin, Netella, Perfect Money, Strict Pay, a lot. Is that thing? A lot. So that's how you would deposit money in it. But if you are using their old app, when you deposit money through mobile money, you can withdraw it through USDT. But if you're using their new app, when you deposit money in their mobile money, you can't withdraw it through USDT. So currently, a lot of people are what facing this similar challenges. That is why I'm doing it for you to what be aware of it. Yeah. So when you're withdrawing it, we also have access here that you can also withdraw it through it. Yeah, so how do you make the 10 USDT every minute, 10 USDT every hour? It depends on the capital you want to start your arbitrage with. So that's it. It depends on the capital you want to start it. So the 10 USDT, some of the people can make it just one transaction. You can make that 10 USDT. Some also can make the 10 USDT per day. Some also can make the 10 USDT per hour. Some also can make the 10 USDT per minute. Please, if I'm not going fast, forgive me. I'm not feeling well. Yeah. So that's it. So this is it. So like, if you have the money inside here, transferring the money from Exness to Binance account is free. It's free. If you have money in your Exness account, transferring the money from Exness account to Binance account is free. So this is how I always do it. Account to deposit. Deposit, and I'll go to deposit crypto. Then I will choose USDT. The network you have to choose Tron. Sorry, that's TRC is anything. Then you copy it and you go to your Exness. You come to USDT. Then you put it over here, something like this. Then you enter the amounts. So the amount must be from 10 USDT was upwards. Yeah. So this is where you make the money. So like like me getting the money in this accounts, I always get the money in this account for free. All this you see is I don't invest anything with my money. I got all this thing for free. Let me show you some of the withdrawals I've made. Let me surprise you. And withdrawals, let me go to withdrawal. So this is the withdrawals I've made. Some were rejected. The rejected is what the money I deposit with mobile money and I try to withdraw with what TRC. So I've withdrawn 150, 150, 100, 200, 10. I've withdrawn a lot too. This one, so this one is what like last 30 days. No, let me go to last 3 months and let's go. See, 200, 70, 100, 290, 314, 299, 113, 331. It's rejected and this one is done. 331. You see that thing? You see, this last 3 months. Last 3 months. You see that thing? Yeah. And all this thing, I didn't what invest any money to start my arbitrage. I just used a skill to get this money and I'll transfer this money from Exness to us to Binance. And that's why I always tell you that online business there is no rules govern it. Yo, bro, you are here to make money. So what are you ready towards to give for you to get the money? If you have the money to start, that's your own thing. But this one, I always do my videos for people who are like me, who were starting and they don't know where to get USDT and things. Yeah. So this is how I always do it. So I have 3 minutes left. And when the 3 minutes reach, I will show you some magic here. So when I get the money over here, then I withdraw to Binance. Binance. I will draw it to here. So from Binance to Exness is not for free, but from Exness to Binance is free. So this is how I do it. I always copy my Exness accounts to these platforms and get this free USDT and cash out huge time. So let me go to trade P2P and see something. And don't use Binance and later send it to Exness. That one, you will not make profits because that one is not for free. What I'm showing is what is free. So right now the fee is what? 12.55. Wow, very cool. Very cool. Let me withdraw $100 scrap. 12.55 is very cool. Let me withdraw $100 or to go up. Because today looks very very cool. Let me calculate something. And one thing is like, if you want to withdraw your money, you have to calculate and see whether you're cool with the profits. Is that thing? Because like I have how much? I have two thirty six. So 236 times 12.5. Let me see something. It's 2950. But but two but 236 times 12.555. 2961. 2961. 2961. 2961. 2961. So you have to check whether what you're about to do, like you're okay with the price or not. 2962. Let me see. So that's how I always do it. Cause like I don't just jump straight to 96125. Like the profit is it's very cool. It's very cool. You see, so if I'm cool with it, after this thing, I will trade. That's how I do it. Is that thing? Yeah. So if I come here, so the thing is what is very cool. So I'll find a buyer, this like person like this one, then I'll jump straight with it. I'll go to sell USDT, then that's it. So this is how I get the USDT. This is how I get it. Let me show you. You see these platforms, it don't last. Yeah, that one I'll tell you, it doesn't last. So I'm not advising you to invest, but this is how you do it. This platform, if you invite at times 100 or 10 people, you will get a commission from it. Yeah. So when you get a commission from it, then you use it. You see, yeah, you use it. So that's how it is. So like if I go to this thing, so it's loading, like, so if I come to the task, I perform a task, and this one I haven't invest anything. So this is how I do it. I go to team. This is a new app. You see that thing? It's called team. Then I copy this link and share it. So when people join it, like 10 people or more join it, I'll get a commission from it. And that commission I'll transfer to my Exness account. Then I will do the arbitrage. That's how I do it. I don't invest anything in it. I don't invest anything in it. So that's how I always get the money to do my arbitrage. That's me. But if you have the money, you can invest in here. So let's say more money, through more money. Let me see one USDT over here. One USDT over here. One is 12.45, and essence and Binance is for 12.55. So you can do that, and even the higher the investment, the higher the profits. So if you have higher money, you get higher profits. So that's how you do it. So Exness to Binance, Exness to any place is free. You can do it and make more than $10 every day or every minute. All you have to do is what? Just have money in here, go check Binance, do multiple arbitrage, and you get profit from it. Yeah, and there's no fee. They will not charge you any fee. Or you can use my method. You can use these platforms, invite people to the platform, then you share the links to other people. So when they also join it, you will get commission, and you use your commission for the arbitrage. So